Hi everyone. I'm Carl Antonio Monteza, first year college student from St. John Paul College of Davao. Today we are discussing about the financial issue, which is the inventory misstatement. So, inventory misstatement, a significant accounting problem, occurs when the reported value of a company's inventory on its balance sheet is incorrect, either too high or too low. This inaccuracy directly affects several key financial statements. On the balance sheet, it distorts the value of current and total assets, misrepresenting the company's overall financial position. The income statement is also impacted as an incorrect inventory value leads to an inaccurate cost of goods figure, affecting gross profit, net income, and the company's apparent profitability. Finally, the cash flow statement reflects the changes and in inventory levels, meaning an inaccurate inventory value can misrepresent the cash flow from operating activities. Several factors can contribute to inventory misstatement. These include the obsolescence of goods, damage or spoilage, simple human errors in counting or applying valuation methods, FIFO, LIFO, and weighted average cost, intentionally manipulation of figures, and inefficient internal controls over inventory management. Weak internal controls, in particular, increase the risk of errors and fraud, highlighting the importance of robust system for tracking inventory. Conducting regular physical counts and ensuring proper segregation of duties. The consequences of inventory misstatements are severe. Inaccurate financial reporting misleads stakeholders, including investors and creditors. Impact